Begin by taking a deep breath in and out. Allow yourself to become present in this moment and to let go of any distractions or thoughts outside this meal. As you look at your plate of food, take a moment to appreciate the colors, textures, and smells. Recognize the nourishment that this meal provides for your body and mind. As you take your first bite, pay attention to the flavors and textures in your mouth. Chew slowly and deliberately. Savor each bite. Allow yourself to fully experience the pleasure of eating without any distractions or interruptions. As you continue to eat, be mindful of your body's signals. Notice when you feel satisfied and stop eating when you feel comfortably full. Remember, you can always save the leftovers for another meal. If the thought of having a second portion or dessert arises, simply acknowledge it without judgment and gently redirect your attention back to your meal. Remind yourself of your intention to eat a smaller portion and not have a second helping or dessert. As you near the end of your meal, take a moment to reflect on your experience of eating. Notice the feeling of contentment and satisfaction, and recognize that you have provided your body with the nourishment it needs. Now, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And when you are finished and ready, gently return to your day.